Literally all of this mess. All of it. So I actually decided to change.
Whoa, whoa, yeah. Sometimes we laugh and sometimes we cry, but I guess you know now, baby. I took a half and she took the whole thing. Slow down, baby. We took a trip, now we on your block and it's like a ghost town, baby. Where did these niggas be at when they say they doing all this and all that? Tired of beefing you bums, you can't even pay me enough to...
Historical figure. If you want to blur, that's fine.
Party, I can't even listen to that. Anytime that I run into somebody, it must be a victory lap. Hey, shawty come sit on my lap. Hey, they saying Tracy just snap. This in between us is not like a store, this isn't a closable gap. Hey, I see some niggas attack and don't end up making it back. I know that they at the crib going crazy down bad. What they had didn't last, damn baby. Yeah. Where did these niggas be at when they say they doing all this and all that? Can you not feel that little boy in the clothes? We do not listen to rest. We in Atlanta, how about straight to the hood. Surround Drake. Even though I got the cake, but do what it takes. And I never been embraced. And the money's hard to make. So I bet they on their face right now. When he tell the story, that's not how I win. Know they be lying 100%. Without a risk, if I come out of bed. Y'all niggas call me to tell me come get it. Now that boy off and I don't want no credit. It was me, they wouldn't regret it. Left me for dead and now they won't get it. Artists still beat it, my niggas still eat it. They go to look like the garden they eat it. Little talk better, spilling the tea.
So excited. Let's go see my favorite spot to just relax. Trying really hard not to care. It's just so pretty. Oh, that's so pretty though. Okay, so given this top, and I actually really like it, not with this skirt. I just feel like it's cute, but like not with the skirt. Like, it's my long denim skirt, you know? I just feel like it doesn't go with it that well. But obviously, other than the glaring reason why I can't wear it to school, it's actually slay. You know what I mean? It's actually slay. I don't know. So I'm actually just gonna touch up my makeup just so that it's a little better, because I'm gonna be taking pictures with my camera. I'm really excited. I haven't taken pictures in a while. I don't know if it needs charging. It needs charging. I need to charge it. The blush. I had to redo my blush like 6 times and I still don't like it because it looks patchy. Have you ever seen blush that looks patchy? Well, you have now. I'm trying to fix it, but like at the same time, like I just look. I have something in my eye. I just look bad. I have a limited amount of time to get these pictures, so I'm gonna take this off first and we'll take the pictures. So yeah, kind of how it's looking. I don't know if it's nice or not because I got glasses on now, so over in my concealer, but we're gonna try and take some pictures and then we'll see how they come out. The toilet is in the back. 10. Is my camera blurry? Okay. Actually slaying. Okay, that did not.